Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to be making ourselves some anniversary dinner because it's our wedding anniversary. Woohoo! Happy anniversary, honey.
Happy anniversary.
Yeah.
What are we making?
Well, we're going to be making some lobster meat that you would normally use for sandwiches, but we're trying to get around that whole shell thing. So we're going to heat that up for a couple minutes. Well, no, probably about a minute in the microwave. Now, I do got to tell you about these little sirloins here. When you order bacon-wrapped sirloins at Walmart and they substitute it, you might get these little flatty things instead.
Oh, you mean if you do home delivery?
Yeah, home deliveries. And then we're having some 365 riced cauliflower. This stuff is so good. You just slap a little bit of butter in there. All right, guys. We'll be back here in a second. Okay, I don't know if you've ever seen us do up our meat before, but we're going to put a little bit of the olive oil on here with some seasoned red salt, Lowry's, excuse me, and also some paprika that we got from Whole Foods. So we'll show that to you. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the oil on there, and what I do is I just put a tablespoon on the top of each one, smear it around, flip them, get the oil on the plate, and then flip them again to get it on both sides. So now, let's do some of this yummy paprika. We usually use the smoked paprika, but it's okay to use regular paprika too. This stuff's got good flavor. Now, smoked is better, but I don't have any of that right now. I gotta re-up on that. Alright. We just get the spices in. I'm just gonna show you the one side, but what we do is sprinkle on some of the paprika here, and then we get that red salt. I'm trying to open it with one hand. Sorry, guys. Come on, open! Alright. Get some of that on there. Ooh, it comes out fast. Woo. And if you do too much on the one side, just flip it to get it over on the other side. Flip it again. Alright. We just massage that in with a spoon. Rinse, lather, repeat. Do that on both sides. And then we're going to be cooking this in the NuWave. So we'll get to that next. We'll be right back. Here we go. We got the seasoning all rubbed in. Let's get these in the NuWave. Okay, we got them all lined up there. What we're going to do is cook them for 3 minutes on each side. Because the last time we tried this, we cooked them for 4 on each side and they came out too tough.
Yeah, they're super thin, right? They're not super thick?
Right, these are super thin. So yeah, 3 minutes each side. That might even be too long, but we're going to give that a try. So, you'll see it instantaneously. Cook time. 3 minutes, start. Okay, time to cook our veggie here too. This takes approximately 5 minutes in our microwave. Don't know if you've ever had it before, but this fried rice style cauliflower is so good. I definitely recommend it. Alright, we'll be back. So the thing about the lobster meat is that you're intended to eat this cold on a sandwich, you know, like lobster roll. Here's what you would normally do if you wanted to make an Authentico lobster roll for yourselves. But what we're going to do is we're just going to put it in the microwave probably for about a minute. Here's what it looks like, by the way. Check it out. It's in some kind of lobster juices.
And then maybe some hot butter?
Yeah, some nice hot butter in there with it, for sure. We'll get some butter in some bowls for us. Yeah. Alright, let's get this going. Here's what it looks like out the bag. I'm actually kind of sad I'm not making lobster rolls today, but it's going to be so good with some hot butter once we heat it up. So let's check that out. Here we go. It don't get no better than that. Look at it. Let's do a flyby. Look at how impressive that lobster meat is. Ooh-hoo. And the rice cauliflower makes it ooh, yummy.
Happy anniversary dinner.
Happy anniversary, my love.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for watching, folks. We hope to see you again. Take care.
Later.